Hey, what's up guys? So what do you guys think? How is the Dodge coming along? Still gotta adjust the gaps. But what do you guys think? It's a good idea to paint everything by color. The grill was supposed to be chrome. And we're gonna take it for a spin, I guess. See how it is. Nice and clean. Sprayed the bumper so match the color. Still gotta spray the tailgate. Still gotta fix that dent on the quarter panel. But I wanna take it for a spin and see how it is. What do you guys think? Does the color match? I think it's a little off, maybe not. So only thing left we got to do is the front bumper, and this boy is done, and adjust the gaps. What do you guys think looks better, the silver handles or the chrome handles? Should I leave them silver or should I leave them chrome? Let me know in the comments. And this is how the truck looks. Almost done. Picked it up from Copart, salvage auto auction. Looks like it already has the studs, everything done to it, rebuilt, motor. Still got a little more things inside I gotta finish up. Door panel. Other than that, it's coming out pretty good. How the inside looks. It's a little dirty. Gotta wash it. Need to get one more battery. Looks pretty nice. What do you guys think? Did I do a good job? Or I need some more experience. And we are taking it for a spin. I guess it's a little bit more rougher than I thought it's gonna be. Feels pretty good, I guess. I don't know if it's the semi wheels that's giving extra power or not. Well, it feels pretty good. But other than that, it drives pretty good. Other than it's a little rougher, so it's worth putting them on, I guess. Makes the truck real nice. Let me give you a little update on the V. So we finally got it on the frame. Should start getting it fixed sometime this week. It's hit a little more than I thought. Not a little, a lot more. So I will be recording how it's going to be getting fixed. So if you guys want to see this bad boy get built, subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss nothing out.